How to fix Epic Games error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Epic Games error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is you'll need to open up your run. Now you can search for run from here on your search bar on your device, or simply you can press Windows plus R key, and you should be on run like this. After you're on run, you need to type in this file folder, that is percentage local app data percentage, and after you've typed that in, hit OK. After you hit OK, you should be on your local app data folder. Now, what you'll need to do here is you'll need to search for every folder related to Epic Games. Now, you can tap on any folder and simply press E, and you will be on the E section. So here you can see I have only two Epic Games folder here. So all you have to do is simply delete it. Press Shift Delete, and you can delete this permanently. And yeah, if this file is open in any place, simply be sure to close it. So now you can, it can happen when your Epic Games is opening right now or any services related to Epic Games is running. So just close your Epic Games. You can head over here. You'll see Epic Games Launcher. Right click on it and tap on Exit. After doing that, you can come back here and then delete this. And doing that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.